Welcome back, it's Fabulous TT, and this is an unboxing of Stationery Pal. I know I haven't did a lot of these unboxings in a while, but I want to bring y'all to this one. It's so beautiful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll try to come back with more unboxing things. But Stationery is one of my favorite companies. I like to order my little stationery stuff. And this what it looks like. I did already kind of open this for you guys so you can see what's on the inside. So yeah, so this is like all the freebie stuff. Like I got a little bell, like so cute. A little teddy bear, adorable. This is my third one I got with them. Look, this is a keychain too, as you can see on the top thing. And then all the little graffiti and stuff. So they did give me a postcard. Let's see what it says. It says, thank you. Look how cute that is. Yeah. So it says my name, everything. So very cute. Let's see what else, what other goodies we got. So the first thing I want to pick up is my wasabi tape, my melody. So I love the body tape from Stationery Pal. So cute. So cute. Look at the embroidery. Love it. Here's my little calendar for next year. It's going to go on my desk at work. I love this. You know, pink is my favorite color. So, yeah. And then I've been waiting to get this forever. These are Harry Potter. This is scissors, y'all. But it looks like in a pen form. But these are scissors. What else we got? We have the little teddy bear Mimbo. So cute where I can write my notes down while I'm at work. And y'all know I had ordered me some jewelry from Stationery Pal. I love their jewelry too. So these are the grape earrings. Like real grapes. They like grapes. Then I have this pen holder. Let me take it out. This is so cute. So it opens up really big. Adorable. And then I have it's a surprise Sanrio pen I'm supposed to get. It could be either one of those. Hopefully I got cinnamon roll, because cinnamon roll and my melody are my favorite too. I also like little twin stars as well. And this is my cute keychain. I need another keychain to go on my keys. It's a teddy bear with a rabbit. And what else? Oh, got some more jewelry. I forgot what I ordered. These are cherry earrings, which are so cute. That's cute, really. And then I have, the strawberry hairpin. I thought that was so cute. And let's see. And that is it. So you guys let me know how you like all my things that I got. Let's put them back in there. I mean, I got a lot of cute stuff this time. It's my first time getting a little box they sent it in. I really love that. And I love this card and these teddy bear and the tape. So cute. My calendar. And my memo. And the earrings. So yeah. Y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Bye.